Using your My Health Pays rewards card at Walmart is a straightforward process that can help you save money on eligible healthcare items and services. To get started, make sure you have received and activated your My Health Pays rewards card. First, identify the items that are eligible for purchase with your card. These typically include over-the-counter medications, health and wellness products, and certain health-related services. You can find a list of eligible items on your health plan provider's website or by contacting their customer service. Next, go to a participating Walmart store and select the items you wish to purchase. Take your items to the checkout lane and let the cashier know that you will be using your My Health Pays rewards card to pay for them. Swipe your card at the terminal and select the credit option. Then enter your PIN to authorize the transaction. The cashier will then process the payment and let you know if the transaction is approved. If you have a remaining balance on your card, you can use it to make future purchases at Walmart or other participating retailers. It is essential to keep track of your card balance to avoid any declined transactions. You can check your balance online or by contacting your health plan provider. Remember to only use your card for eligible items and services to ensure that your transactions are approved and to get the most out of your rewards. By following these simple steps, you can effectively use your My Health Pays rewards card at Walmart to save money on healthcare expenses and improve your overall well-being. Always review the terms and conditions of your card to understand any specific usage guidelines and to maximize your rewards.